Now let's continue the story. After hearing about the El Dorado, many explorers became exhausted. They believed the city filled with gold was waiting to be found. They thought that if they could find this city, they could become rich for the rest of their life. So they packaged their things and started the journey, but they had no idea on how dangerous this journey could be. To find El Dorado, they had to travel through the thick forest. The trees were so close together that sunlight hardly reached the ground. They also crossed fast-flowing rivers. Some rivers were filled with dangerous animals. They climbed high mountains. Sometimes weather changed to be hot, other times it could be cloudy or raining. Food soon became a big problem. Many explorers ran out of food. Some survived by eating wild plants or catching fish. Others became very weak because they had nothing left to eat. Disease also spread through many groups. Without medicine, even a small sickness could become very serious. Some explorers became too weak to continue. Others never made it back home. Even with all the problems, people refused to give up. Every time one group fell, another group believed they could succeed. Years passed, still nobody found the city made of gold. Some explorers find small amount of gold, others found village where people own beautiful gold objects, but they never found the great gold city which they have imagined. As time goes on, many historians began to believe that the story was misunderstood from the beginning. The real story was about a king who covered himself with gold dust during a special ceremony. It was never about a whole city built with gold. The legend of El Dorado has already spread across the whole world. It inspires people to keep searching for something that may never existed. Today, the story of El Dorado teaches us an important lesson. Sometimes people believe story without checking whether it is true. This is why it's very, very important to ask questions, look for evidence, and learn the real history behind famous legends. But the story is not yet over. In part 3, we will discover what the archaeologists has found, why the legend of El Dorado is still famous today, and whether there could still be hidden treasure waiting to be discovered.